Well, I'm back. I got it figured out. I did have a loose screw inside the laptop. Right now I'm going to hook it up to the TV so I can show you it working. And then show you the screen, how bad that is. And why I got it up for parts and repair. Well, let's turn the TV on quick. I got the TV like 5 feet away from me. I would use my monitor, but yeah, I'm doing other things with it right now. Gatorade, gotta love it. Set that aside. Open this little behemoth up. Bingo, we got power. And it didn't blow up on me. I'm 90% sure I hooked the video cable up. We have to tear it back apart one more frickin' time to make sure. Because I'm not getting any video out. Sometimes this thing likes me and sometimes it doesn't. Yeah. Deal with you in a minute. It'd be nice if I could set in the BIOS and skip this altogether, but it won't let me, unfortunately. But when I'm in the BIOS, it doesn't do the beeping, which is really annoying. There are some things, yeah, it has the i3-2310M CPU at 2.1 gigahertz, dual core. It's hyper threaded, so it's a dual core, 2 core, 4 threads. I'm just looking to see one more time, but unfortunately with Dell they don't give you too many options in the BIOS, which is unfortunate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. I gotta tear it back apart, or at least take this top piece off and make sure that cable's seated right. Oh, what a pain in the butt. Actually, I just gotta take the keyboard out. Let's power it off, unhook it, take the battery pack out. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm back and I got that problem fixed. It ended up being the video cable wasn't seated quite right. Talk about touchiness. But it's working. Let's see. It's still loading. Go figure. But I'm gonna move the camera around a little bit. Sorry. Hope I don't make anyone nauseous. But yeah, that's the screen. I'm thinking, as you can see up in this upper right corner, I think it got stepped on about here, just kind of spider web through. Yeah, it's probably a fairly amazing laptop if that didn't happen. Oh well. I haven't had this thing plugged in for a few days. Let's lower this down so I can kind of. But yeah, that's where the battery power is saying it's at right now, 92%, which is pretty good. It's saying it has almost 2.5 hours on it, 2 hours 23 minutes. I don't know if I can get my camera any closer or not right now. Flipping out on me. The touchpad is kind of nice. If it was a little more sensitive, I might be able to fix that. Let's bring core temp over. I'll show you the temp the CPU itself is running at. Very nice. Yeah, as you can see, it's the Intel Core i3-21 or 2310. Oop, moving around too much again, aren't I? Yeah, Sandy Bridge. So it's about 8 years old. No, about 6 years old, 6 to 7 years old, somewhere in there. It's running around right around 40 to 45, 44 Celsius. I'll bring Prime up quick to show you that. on here. Up right there. I'll just do a simple blend. And let's see what the temps become. Well, it hits about 60 Celsius, which to me seems pretty good. And it's about 63 tops. It's not thermothrottling, so that's good. It's almost, it's hit 65. My room's a little warm right now. A lot of hot air going out. Let it run for another minute or two, or a couple of seconds. Yeah, maybe not. I don't really need to let this run because, yeah, I don't get much over that, which I really like. So, change out the thermal paste and clean out the fan. Probably give a major improvement, but like I said, I didn't test it before I did that. Probably should have so I could see. Now I'm going to stop that. Fan doesn't get too bad. I gotta try the sound out on this. One thing I haven't done yet. Oops, I don't want wireless, I want sound. Oop, come on. Let's go into the TV. I want to try out the speakers on the actual laptop. So, I'm gonna bring this back over here. Let's see what kind of sound this thing is out. Just out of curiosity. It's kind of a pain in the butt. It's not the fastest thing in the world. Like I said, if I put an SSD in it, it would vastly improve it. Like I said, it only has a 7200 RPM, or 5400 RPM, my bad. YouTube quick. Put 2 T's instead of just one in YouTube. I don't know why, I just do. Let's bring up, I know, song I haven't listened to in a while.
There's no such thing as a perfect writer. This is why I use Grammarly to check my work.
If I'm putting Thomas...
Audio's not horrible. I really wish the screen was working on this like it was supposed to. Let's see if we can you kind of see what I'm doing on the TV, but not really. Let's go. Let's turn it. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'm just looking around. That's better. That's definitely sounding better now. Need to do a few little hardware tweaks or software tweaks. I definitely like the sound on this. Let's go back in here one more that's nice. That's alright. Fortunately, I don't know if I can have that audio in the video, but we'll see if they'll allow me to or not. Doesn't cool down as much as I'd like it to. It runs around mid-40s, but it is also a laptop, so that's a given. Well, I'm going to shut it down. Thank you for watching this part of the video. As you can see, I have Windows 10 loaded on it. I thought it'd be a good system to have it, which it appears to be. It was actually originally designed for Windows 7. Of course, Sandy Bridge 7 was very popular at that time, which it still is now. Okay, yeah. Set that aside. I'll plug that back into my other computer here in a moment. That weighs enough. I'd say about 6-7 pounds. Easily. Let's get my keyboard back on here, shall we? Kind of annoying. But it's working, so I'm happy. So please leave any questions, comments, or concerns in the comment section that you'd like to leave. If you have any you'd like to leave. Put my light back to where it was. I don't need that shining in my face anymore. But I should thank the wife for getting a new lamp. Because now I know how I can now I have another way of using it. Awesome. Thank you for watching this part of the video. I'm gonna link it to the actual laptop repair part, or the disassembly and the reassembly, so that way you can get a good look at it. Thank you again for watching. Yeah, please subscribe, like, dislike, whatever tickles your fancy. Thank you again.